Basically, I convinced myself to submit something on a topic that I had never worked on.
Really wonderful group of WebRTC insiders from the industry, and so a lot of really interesting knowledge sharing happening out there.
To catch up with other people in the industry and learn things. Obviously, I'm coming here to speak, so I want to share some information about some work that I've been doing for the last year.
Now I'm considering how to convince our backend developers to try Quick.
Get a couple of those talks, listen to them. I think they were eye-opening.
One of the hardest presentations I ever had to do.
It's just new stuff, but getting it presented in a conference with this kind of schedule is absolutely great.